Okay, for this in-class exercise, you'll be creating a 4-bit ripple carry adder using VHDL and the Basys 3 FPGA development board. So for the ripple carry adder, we're going to use the far left switches over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, as our input A. We're going to use the far right as our carry in, and then the next 4 switches here we'll use as our input B. Okay, so if you recall, a ripple carry adder takes an input from C in, input A, input B, and it's going to produce an output. It's going to sum those together, and we'll use the LEDs up here to represent our 4-bit output. So 1, 2, 3, 4 LEDs, and this LED here on the far right we'll use to represent our carry out bit. So as an example, something simple, if I have a carry in of 1 and I have 0 and 0 for my binary representation of my 4-bit input, I would expect to get 1 as my output. So my output would be 0, 0, 0, 1. Makes sense. If A and B are both 1, so I'll switch this switch and switch this one, you would get 1 from A, 1 from B, and then 1 from your carry in, which gives you 3 in binary, which is 1, 1. So let's try something a little bit larger for our number. So we'll reset it. Let's go with 12. So 1, 1, 0, 0 as our input. And you can tell right now I haven't added anything in, so it gives me 12 as my output. So 12 plus 0 is the correct output. But let's say if I add 12. So now we know that the output should be 24. 12 plus 12 is 24, but yet because I only have 4 bits for my output, I end up overflowing, and I can't represent the number 24 with only 4 bits. So we get our bit in the 8th or the decimal 8 position, or 1, 0, 0, 0, and we end up having this carry bit to represent we have overflow. But if that were to be used as a 5th bit, it would be 24, because that would be 16 plus 8 would give us a 24. So our ripple carry adder is working. It did show us a carry out when we had carry out, and when we did a small test of some numbers that fit within the 4-bit window, they were all correct. So this is how your ripple carry adder should be working at the end of this in-class exercise.